Hi everybody, I'm at ALDI. I am in the Isle of Shame and I just wanted to show you guys, if you have not been to ALDI yet, or if you don't have as good an Isle of Shame. So this aisle that I'm in is kind of the leftover from last week aisle. And I'm just going to do a quick live video so that I'm not getting in everybody's ways. There's some of those cute animal stools left over. And this is kind of the side with all of the good stuff. And then we're getting into a lot of Easter stuff. All the Easter candies, which you will see a lot of these on this week's video. And then let me just show you over here what we're missing, which is a lot of the food items. There's those Oreos, Space Dunks. We have some juices. All right, back over to this side is kind of the better side. We have, like I said, all of the Easter stuff. And then we're going to go over to the aisle that has all of this week's ALDI finds, which is right here. We have these gorgeous carpets. Those are 6 by 9 feet, almost 7 feet, 6.5 by 9. Look at the price on that. I absolutely love that wooden plant stand. They have the welcome signs, which are double-sided. Here we have some of the shoes. I'm really lucky. My store has a great selection of stuff. So I'm going to go down this side of the aisle, and then I will work my way to the other side. Some of the clothes. Some really beautiful Sherpa throws. Some love seat and armchair covers. Here's some of the little bit of the candles left over. I love these. They're so cute for the kids. The diffusers. I've heard that this, I gotta put that in my video this week. I have heard that that window vacuum is excellent. Look, a sewing machine. See the price on that? We've featured that already. Okay. Now let's go over to the side. All the spring gnomes. We have these gorgeous wreaths. We have some framed wall art this week. Look at those really cute calligraphy kits. That's a really nice blazer. The ottoman. That is Sherpa. The sponges. A lot of cleaning stuff. These really pretty bamboo baskets. A cordless wet dry vac. Look at this, how beautiful that is. I am in love with that. These cute little planters. They have these really nice water globes for your plants. And look at these, are beautiful too. And the 5-tier shelf, we have everything. We really do. All right, so that's everything in my Isle of Shame. I hope you guys enjoyed it.